Why choose Mr. Locksmith Abbotsford? Locked out, need keys? If you need a lock change or locks rekey, Mr. Locksmith is here to help you when you have a home security issue. We are your 24-hour emergency locksmith. Whether you need just new keys or a new high security deadbolt installed, we have you covered. There's no such thing as a $15 or $25 locksmith. Don't be scammed by unlicensed online scammer locksmiths. Our Mr. Locksmiths are BC licensed, bonded, and insured. Need professional locksmith advice? Call Mr. Locksmith now and book your appointment. We are available 24 hours a day. Our services include lock change services, home unlock services, 24-hour locksmith service, lock rekey services, master key systems, lock repaired, lost your keys to your mailbox, we can make keys, high security lock installation, and much more. We cover every corner of your city with locksmith services. If you have an issue with your locks or keys, don't wait any longer and call Mr. Locksmith or book your appointment online now.